Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video, we're going to look at Amazon stock price. It's gapping. Let's get into it. Alright traders, let's get into it. Before I start this video, this is general advice only. Anything I do say in this video is to help you additional to help you read the charts and understand the market itself. But this is just one component. Chart reading, you got emotional mastery, you got trading systems, you've got money management, you've got trade management. That's what makes a good trader, okay? Not just learning one trading technique, okay? Because it's, that's just what makes it. So anyway, let's get straight into this now. Let's actually get straight into what Amazon's been doing, and you can see what Amazon has been doing. It's been going gangbusters. Look at that, right? It's if you see from the low here, from the low to the high, what's happened? Wow, 15% move, bam. All right, and we're all the way through the high side. Just kept going. And as you can see, we went through a bit of a slump here for a while, and then it broke up. Look what happened here as well too. You can see this is what happened. It broke up, and looking at this stock here, you can see it just does that, right? It breaks up, and then went sideways, and then broke up, and then went sideways, and then now it's broke up again. Are we going to go through another sideways phase? I don't know. But this time it didn't gap. You know what I mean? Like these last two times it gapped, and then went sideways. This one here actually ran up. So that's actually a really nice bullish signal that I'm actually looking for anyway. So looking at the overall long term on the daily charts as well too, you can see by squeezing my charts up now, you can actually see that we are definitely below the 200. The 52 has been this 52 moving average through here has definitely been a market where it's totally supporting this level through here. Been a major area of support through there, and it's continued to bounce off those levels and make new highs. Major new highs, almost at $500. Go Amazon, go. So we're looking at Amazon right now, and we're looking at that. So let's actually go to the weekly chart, and let's see what the weekly chart has to offer us. So as you can see on the weekly chart, right, we had a breakup, sideways breakup. That's actually a bit of a gap, but it's actually to break up on the weekly chart, break up and then sideways and a break up again. Now looking at this, if I just bring up some trend lines through there, Zazam, you can see that's what we've got through there. Got some of these trend lines gone through there, and let's actually just delete all. Let's go delete all for Amazon right now, because it may be what's going to come up. There we go. Cool. All right. So we have and there we go. So we we definitely do have an area of support and resistance all through there as well too. And right now we have another major channel coming to the high side, as you can see from there to there, right? If I go from this low point through here, and I'm connecting these low points up through here, that's definitely definitely the channel that Amazon is in right now, and that's the channel that you can see. And why not touch these highs up here? You know what I mean? I did it first time, did it the second time. Why not go up and do that the next time? This is where stochastics are on the weekly chart. I'm not too fussed about that, and that's where we are right now. And that's actually a pretty good target. The reason why I say that is because you can see it's happened time and time again. So with that being said, I actually like this, and so therefore I personally will be looking for maybe a nice little pullback and stuff like that. I can see by looking at the markets where the moving averages are not tight, they're starting to expand, and the moving averages are starting to go up, and the market's starting to come up. Maybe a bit of a nice pullback, and we get the moving averages pointing up even more and expanding, and maybe get the stochastics down here and the oversold, and that may be something I want to buy into, want to get into, and again, if you use the stochastics and the oversold level, this is the oversold level, that was that point there, and look what run. Look at the oversold level there, that was that point there. Went sideways, didn't go down, but eventually popped up. You know what I mean? Yeah, popped. So right now with Amazon, I really like Amazon when it comes to maybe a bullish setup. Maybe get some. I want to see a nice, decent pullback. I want to see the moving averages really start to expand. I do see there's a whole bunch of support and resistance levels through here. The markets ran up. So that's what I'm looking for on Amazon. That's what's happening with Amazon right now. I'm looking for a nice, decent pullback. But then obviously I have my own trading rules when it comes to the stochastics, moving average, support, resistance, the type of day I'm entering, and all that type of stuff. Make sense? So that's what I'm seeing with Amazon. This is John Howell here. If you'd like to learn more about how my trading systems, if you'd like to learn charting analysis and mistakes and trade money management and stuff like that, trade management, 12 videos, 12 hours long, helping you become a good trader, then click on this link up the top here, right up here. See this thing up here? Click on that. It'll take you over, free course to help you out. This is John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.